tawag ani guys. Tawag. Installing tassels. Install the Christmas tassels. So, back up rain self curtain. The name is rain self curtain tassel, guys. So Christmas rain curtain tassel by my student Lloyd. Oh. Hi to my blog. Oh, si Bra and si Bra. And there ano na. Simone ng backdrop, guys. Sumupo ninyong backdrop sa inyong party, Lloyd. Walay red, Ana, Lloyd. Nice kayo kung na red, Ana, o ka ng block. Sa among mafia team. Theme.
Sir? Sige, go. Valid mo yun. Valid, tipan mo yun. Nice kayo.
Nice kayo. Nice kayo, guys. As in, nice kayo. Sige. Else, ano nyo dito? You transfer it there. Ay, I'm vlogging via I, please. Minimize your...
Point nga, kasi mong wide dining ako, baka parang dito sa hangin, makita lang natin na hindi mo kayo hangin yung
so, ari na mo dali, guys. Okay. One ni ang beautiful backdrop nila, Jingle Bells. So, she has a capital of around, how much is this each? 60 pesos all in all? Each pala. Wala, mahal ha? Wala na talagang mura ngayon, guys. Kaya we need to earn money talaga in different ways. Nice, uy. Nice.
Sir! Asan ka?
Tangan, nagsigo ang gayo.
Galing, chat man ko nimo, nasa sultungan, elementary, deliver.